Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know how you're doing. So yes, I do have another unboxing, and this is a 2 of 2 for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, April 2021. And I do get 2 of these. I love the Ipsy Plus. I love the fact that we can choose 3 out of our 5 items that we get in our bag for 25 bucks. You can't go wrong. Absolutely love it. So we are going to dive right into this unboxing. And I tried a couple of the products already. I'm going to let y'all know what I think. Now, this is this month's bag for April 2021. And it's okay. You know, I mean, I'm not like over the moon in love with the pattern or anything. But I mean, the quality is pretty good. And if you have not seen it already, I did already post my first unbagging of my other subscription, my other Ipsy Plus. And I will link that up here if you want to go check it out. Now, for the $25 a month for this subscription, you're supposed to get all full-size items and 5 of them. And 2 of the items you get in your bag are based on your profile, and Ipsy picks that for you. Then the other 3 items in your bag, you get to pick yourself. And again, the items that you're given to choose from are supposed to be based on your profile. So I always recommend update your profile. In addition to that, review the items in each of your bags. Whatever subscriptions you get with Ipsy, always review your items, because that goes towards your profile and your preferences. So if there's something that you absolutely do not want, let them know. And one of the ways you can do it is by reviewing that product and clicking like the lowest and selecting, I do not like things like this. And usually they won't send them. So it does work out really good if you keep up with it. Now, with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we get a card, but there are no items on the inside of the card that give you a description of everything that's in the bag. Now, the theme for April 21 is Force of Nature, which, that's cute. In my bag, I got a brush set, which this was already chosen for me. And in my profile and my reviews, I always put that I love tools and brushes. So this is a really nice set. It is 5 different brushes, and it's by Gaches. I don't know. I'm pronouncing that wrong probably. Sorry. It retails for $30. Now, you get it's their number 7 collection. You get a highlighter brush, a crease brush, a concealer brush, a brow brush, and a tapered beauty blender. So it's a really nice complete eye set for $30, which, I mean, that's not too bad price-wise. Next, I got by Vita-Bread C12. It's an eye and face cream. So this is one of the items I did choose, and it retails for $39. And it's, like I said, an eye and face cream. And it's supposed to help brighten and strengthen skin. potent combo of peptides, Vita-Bread CG, which is a stable form of vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid comes in this baby. Excited I got that, and I am looking forward to trying it. Next, I got from Dr. Botanicals. It's a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. It retails for $16. And it deeply moisturizes with coconut oil, almond oil, sea buckhorn oil. I've never heard of that. Oh, sorry, sea buckhorn fruit oil and grapeseed oil. And you can use it head to toe. So I am actually looking forward to trying this. And she looks like a normal cream. Oh, you can smell the lemon, like the citrus. No, it definitely smells like lemon. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not like over the moon with that scent. That's okay. It feels good. It feels really good. Okay, next is by Honest Beauty. And this one is an Everything Cream Foundation. It retails for $22. And it's a demi-matte finish, medium to full coverage, and it's infused with jojoba. Now, I did use this today. The color itself worked out perfectly. I mean, well, that's a little light, but that's okay. It comes with a cute little mirror in the compact, and obviously, as you can see, it's just a regular cream foundation. Now, okay, so here's like, that's kind of what it looks like, right? It comes with a little puffy pad, or no, it's like a sponge, sorry. Okay, so how do I feel about this one? I'm just not a fan. It goes on like really thick, which, you know, for a medium to full coverage foundation, that's okay, but it just made it a little more difficult to blend. I did try to apply it with a brush, and then I went back and tried to apply it with a sponge. I just wasn't a fan. Now, I have oily skin, so demi-matte finishes like this usually work pretty good on me, but surprisingly, I actually found this drying. And it just, with my oily skin, I very rarely come across issues like that. So I was a little thrown off, to say the least. It's not something that, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan. So I probably won't be using this again, but that's okay. I'm really glad I got it and I was able to try it. I've got it in the color Linen. You can see right now, usually that color would be too light for me, but it worked. I don't know why. Anyway, so yeah, $22. It's not very expensive. It's just, I don't know. I just wasn't thrilled with it. Okay, so last but not least is a cream from Avant. This retails for, wait for it, ready? $122. And look at how little it is. I know. This is like a full size too. So this is what she looks like. Very classy packaging. I will say, I love Avant products. I did choose this, and it is a Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. So again, I was super excited to try this out. It softens rough patches and smooth skin. It's infused with collagen to plump fine lines and boost elasticity. So again, it looks like a normal cream. Usually the Avant products smell incredible. I'm not usually the biggest fan of fragranced skincare. Actually, this isn't fragranced. Okay, yeah. So there's no smell on that one. But it's definitely a really, really nice primer. Again, because I've got oily skin, primers are kind of hit or miss with me. But this one I did really, really like. Is it a $122 primer? I don't know. But either way. So, $25 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April 2021. What's the total value? My bag value was $229. Yeah, for a $25 bag. So I am not minding, this foundation not working, because everything else made this so worth it. Such a great deal, such a great subscription. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it. So, do you get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Which items did you choose? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know. So that is it. Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during one of my videos. I do appreciate it so, so much. And if you like all things beauty, skincare, makeup, mature beauty, giveaways, unboxings, spoilers, and all that good stuff, smash that subscribe button before you go. It does help my channel out so, so much. And it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Love you guys bunches. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.